Good day. This is Kevin Disuwatan, electrical engineer student from USLM. So, electrical machine 1, DC machine. So, we're now going to answer the following. Two DC generators operating in parallel have linear characteristics. One machine has terminal voltage of 270 volts on no load and 220 volts at a load current of 30 ampere. The other machine has a voltage of 280 volts on a no load and 220 volts at 40 ampere. Calculate the bus voltage when the load resistance is 10 ohms. Solution. So from when total load current is 50 ampere, so start from the generator 1. Voltage drop for 30 ampere is equal to 270 minus 220 is equal to 50 volts. Then voltage drop per ampere is equal to 50 over 30 is equal to 1.667 BE. So next the generator 2. So from generator 2, voltage drop for 40 ampere is equal to 280 minus 220 is equal to 60 volts. So voltage drop for per ampere is equal to 60 over 40 equal to 1.5 BE. So to get the mukha siya nga I1, I2, voltage is equal to 270 minus 1.667 I1, then B is equal to 280 minus 1.5 I2. So ito siya transport na siya nga 270 minus 1.667 I1 is equal to 280 minus 1.5 I2. So transport na siya 1.5 I2 minus 1.667 I1 is equal to 10, or then I1 or I1 plus I2 is equal to 50, or from giving one I2 is equal to or equal, or I2 is equal to 50 minus I1. So from substituting the value of I2 from given there is a 1.5 I2 minus 1.67 I1 is 10 1.5. So the I2 niya is mo tong I2 so tong 50 minus I2 is equal to 50 minus I1. So minus 1.67 is equal to 10. So 75 minus 1.5 I1 minus 1.67 I1 is equal to 10. So I1 is 20.526 ampere. Then I2 is 29.474 ampere. Then voltage is 235.789 volts. So next is the when load resistance is 10 ohms. So para makuha niyo kan ito bus voltage from the resistance of the ohms. So I1 plus I2 is equal to B over RL, or B or equal to B over 10. So substituting B is equal to 10 times I1 plus I2. 10 times I1 plus I2 is equal to 270 minus 1.67 I1. The next is 11.67 I1 plus 10 I2 equals to 70. The next is 10 times I1 plus I2. So nakuha ang describe mo ng gamit sa generator 1. The next is sa generator 2, 10 times I1 plus I2 is equal to 280 minus 1.5 I2. So that 10 I1 plus 11.5 I2 is equal to 280. So to get the I1 I2, so the I1 is 8.92268, then I2 is 16.5854. Then to get the current, I1 current I is equal to I1 plus I2. So equal I1 is 8.9268 plus the I2 is 16.5854. So equal to 25.5152 ampere. So to get the bus voltage from the resistance 10 is B is equal voltage is equal to the ampere is the current is 25.5122 times the 10 ohms the resistance. So the answer is 255.122 volts. So the answer is letter A. Next is the purple lap connected DC machine as an armature resistance of 0.15 ohms. If the armature resistance is blank, the solution is P is equal to 4, then R is equal to 0.15 ohms, then given siya Z nga 48. So from the lap winding, E is equal to P or equal to 4. So R1, so resistance of each parallel path or R1 is equal to RE times E, which is 4. Oh, sakto. Okay, E is equal to P man, or P is equal to 4. So RE times E is equal to 0.15 times the RE is 0.15, then the E is 4. So 0.15 times 4 is equal to 0.6 ohms. So next is number of conductors in each parallel path. So Z is equal to 48. The Z is 48, then the E is equal to 4. So the answer is the 12. Then next is the resistance of each conductor. So 0.6 over 12. So it's equal to 0.05 ohms. Then for wave winding, E is equal to 2. Ganyan kay is ang E niya is equal to 4. Karon is E is equal to 2. So 48 over 2 is equal to 24. Then to get the resistance of each parallel path, mo to nga gamit ka na siya wave winding 24 times katong sa resistance conductor 0.05 is equal to 1.2. So to get the armature resistance R or RE is equal to 1.2 over 2 the E over 1.2. 1.2 is the resistance parallel path. So kaning over 2 niya is kaning wave winding or E is equal to. So 1.2 is over 2 is equal to 0.6 ohms. Answer is 0.6 ohms liter E. So that's all kay uban ako lang siya, message kayo. Thank you.